Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a kofta curry with suran, that is elephant foot yam. You say this. I have taken quarter kg of elephant foot. Here a small piece of tamarind I have soaked in water because this will have the itching feeling. So to avoid that, we have to add either tamarind or lime juice while cooking the yam. And for the gravy I have taken 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, little cumin powder, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Tomato you can take, this tomato is very sour, so I have taken only one, and 2 onions, ginger garlic, salt. This is for the kofta. I have taken chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. I have to take for the kofta, and salt. I'll be adding some coriander leaves also in this kofta while mixing it. And you need besan or rice flour. Instead of besan, I am using rice flour for the kofta for binding. I've taken quarter cup of rice flour, but according to the requirement we can add. It will more or less according to the moisture content in the suran. Now we'll cut this suran, wash it properly and put it in the cooker along with the turmeric powder, salt and the tamarind for cooking. Before peeling the skin of the suran, apply oil on your palms, otherwise you will have itching feeling. I have kept the suran along with the tamarind, salt and haldi powder in the pressure cooker. Close this and wait for 1 whistle, and then reduce the flame and cook for around 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Then switch off the gas. The suran is cooked nicely. Now we'll mash it and add the masala, salt and rice flour in it, and make a dough out of that. Chopped coriander leaves I have added. I have mashed the suran. Chili powder I have added. Dhania jeera powder. थोड़ा सा garam masala. Salt we have already added while cooking the suran. We will have to check and then add it. I am adding the rice flour. The whole rice flour I am not adding. We will mix with the suran and see. If it is required, we will add the whole thing. Now, after cooking the suran, that tamarind water is there, that we will use it for the gravy. There is moisture in it, so we'll have to add the whole rice flour in it. You can add besan instead of rice flour. Or you can add the bread crumbs also in this. Nice dough is formed. Now we'll apply some oil in our palm and then make small ball out of this and keep it ready for frying. The koftas are ready. Now we'll fry them. I have kept oil. Fry them in low medium heat. Just check. Oil is ready. We'll put them. Batch by batch we'll put it and fry them. In the meantime, I have kept kadai for making the gravy also. The koftas are cooked nicely, fried nicely. I will remove it from the oil. We'll put the next batch also. For the gravy, I have taken 2 teaspoons of oil. The onion paste is ready. I have taken 1 piece of dalchini, cloves, 1 elaichi, little bit of jeera, little bit of hing powder. I will add the onion paste in this. We will cook this. In the meantime, we will prepare the tomato ginger garlic paste also. The onion is done. The water is evaporated totally from this. Now we'll add the tomato ginger garlic paste in this. If you want, you can chop green chilli and put it while tempering. Now we will cook this also for a few minutes. Then we'll add the masala in this. The water is evaporated from the tomato also. We'll add the chili powder and the turmeric powder, little salt, I'm adding little kasuri methi also in this. Saute this till the raw taste of the masala goes off. I'm adding the garam masala also in this. Now, according to the requirement of the gravy, you can add water in this. If you want, you can add curd also. I'm not adding curd. I'll add water. The tamarind water, that also I'm adding to this, so that you will not have the itching feeling. All the koftas are done. The gravy is coming to a boil. Let this boil for some time, then we'll add the koftas in it. The gravy is cooked, oil is separated. Now we'll put the kofta in this. I added around 1.5 cup water. Now mix this well. Garnish with coriander leaves. And if you want, you can add some cream on top of it while serving. Our Suran Kofta Curry is ready here. We'll switch off the gas now. This kofta can be served along with green chutney and sauce. You can just eat it as it is, and you can make curry also. The Suran Kofta and Kofta Curry is ready here to serve along with chapati and bakri. If you are watching my channel for the first time, Do subscribe and press the bell icon and all, so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.